welcome back to the channel. Making a little update video with the Mazda. And Tristan, he's new to the channel. Just gonna show you guys what's been going on since we haven't posted a video since the Audi A4. I only posted like one video with it, and the A5 I just sold two, but just picked up a Cayman S 2006. Surprisingly enough, if you guys followed my A5 build on Instagram, it's on HREs. I think they're the FFO ones. I think they're just their flow form wheel. And sweet calipers on this bitch, but that's about it. That's all it has. So just the wheels, and it's got some H&R lowering springs. So we're gonna be making some videos on this real soon. And this is what we're going to be building a lot of on this channel, and also a little Miata too. So this is Tristan's Mazda Speed 3. We're about to be doing a downpipe install. If you guys are familiar with the Mazda platform and want to follow that build, stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed yet and have a Mazda or something and you want to see more of those videos, just go and click the subscribe button and notification button, and you guys will just get notified, because our next video is probably going to be one of his Mazda videos too. So our goal right now is just to be posting every Sunday from now on. We're just kind of revamping the channel, just kind of in a different group of people right now. So the last videos that we post on the channel probably won't be posted anymore. Basically what I'm trying to say. And also we're changing the name. We haven't really set on a name, but right now it's Garage Built Automotive. Kind of self-explanatory, just, you know, building cars in the garage, and no one really has that name. So I don't know, we'll probably push that name unless we think of something else. I kind of think something with Motorworks in the name, Level Up Motorworks or something would be cool. So if you guys do have any name suggestions, we are done doing car culture. So drop that in the comment section below. I don't know if I want it to be just my name, because it's kind of more of a group of guys versus just me. So if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know down below. And tell us about your Mazda and your future plans for it.
Alright, so it's 2011 Mazda Speed 3. Pretty simple, all stock. All it's got on it is an intake from CORKSPORT. Little muffler, high performance muffler, and resonator delete as of right now. We do have the, like I said before, the downpipe catless on the way. We also have hood scoop also on the way, but they're both on back order because they ran out. And then hopefully this weekend, a little money paycheck, we'll be getting either some new headlights or the front light, or maybe even both. So stay tuned for that stuff.
Comment below what else other mods you want to see. You know, air rides coming soon and all that fun stuff. So whether it's suggestions on the Cayman or the Speed 3 or the Miata, just drop it down below. We're always down to make videos, so video ideas greatly.
All the cars right now are basically stock, so
yeah.
Just drop it in the comments. Let us know what you want to see from them.
Yeah, so we're all sitting relatively about with the same mods done. So it gives us a cool platform to build on. You know, we got some stock wheels for sale if you guys want to cop some tires that are claps, and some Audi A5 wheels. Anyways, we're gonna go install a CORKSPORT shift knob right here. It looks like CORKSPORT. Does it not? CORKSPORT Mazda Performance. And this shift knob was only $8.50. I'm just kidding. How much? So give us some detail on the shift knob.
Alright, so it is an adjustable weighted shift knob. It costs about $100. Everything flows in perfect though. So when you screw it on, it fits perfect right up against the stock boot that's on there. So no gap in there. And so that's good. You know, got nothing to worry about there. I think we said it's about 320 grams of all four weights in it. So as of right now, we got all four weights in it. So we'll see how that feels. Also, we may be adjusting it here later. All it takes is a 5mm Allen wrench to adjust it. But yeah, so we got 320 grams in it right now. So we're gonna be doing a little install video on that.
Right now we're just gonna be doing the actual install of the knob. So if you just skip to this part, this is the CORKSPORT shift knob. Weighs like, what was it, 320 grams?
320 grams with all four weights in it.
Yeah, so this is just a little install video and first impressions.
Yeah.
And if this super view on this camera is really annoying just because it's like super fisheye, I can tone it down in the camera too. So
yeah, there's the there, boom. Nothing crazy, real simple. So basically, this shit just unscrews, real simple. It's a little long threaded though, so take a minute.
2,000 years later.
the install on these are super easy as well. So there's the old shift knob.
Like boom, 5 minutes we're off.
Yeah, a little side by side.
A little side by side. So the CORKSPORT one is a little bit bigger, so it might feel a little better in the hand. Also, give it a little more to with. So just throw it on here. And CORKSPORT also just specializes in Mazda. Mazda performance only. That's all they make stuff for. So man, that nice. You know, fits up real nice. No gap. That's what they were saying in the description before I ordered it, that there'd be no gap, everything sits up nice and flush.
And I think one of the coolest parts about the shift knob is if you're a ball guy, that's kind of weird, but if you like just to hold the ball, it feels super good in your hands. Or if you like to get like the side profile and shift, it's got like these grooves for your fingers to go in, and it just feels really nice. So right now we're just gonna go do some a little bit of spirited driving out in Mexico, just for kind of a first impressions, because he hasn't even shifted with this yet. So
this is the first time using it, so it is a little bit bigger, so it feels a little better in the hands, and it's weighted also. Should we let's do it?
So this is a driving first impression video right now. Hopefully the super view is not super annoying either. If you guys want it, we can go to like a normal view or whatever.
Definitely shifts a lot nicer. Definitely with it being weighted, flows in the gear a lot easier. I don't think I'll pull any weights out of it. Actually, I kind of like how it goes in. Yeah, just real simple install, not a whole lot to it. Less than 5 minutes it takes.
There's stop sign, there's stop sign. Damn, bro, she scoots. I wish you guys could feel the power over the video, but it throws you back in the seat for sure.
But definitely goes into gear a lot easier. Way better than the stock one. Definitely recommend it as being just a simple little upgrade, you know? Not a whole lot to it. Maybe here we'll put on the window and get the little blow off for you. It might be too loud for you guys, but
yeah, with the mic you'll be here, but this one might be like super annoying. So this video might not even work. And this video will probably be one of the least edited videos, just because of the time being right now, and the time right now it's laid out, and we don't have our GoPro mic adapter right now either.
Probably couldn't hear that with the shot, you know.
Alright, final first impressions.
I fucking love it.
Worth the money?
No, definitely worth paying the $100, because if I want to make it not as heavy, I can always take the weights out. But as of right now, I like how heavy it is, how it flows into gear a lot easier. But no, I love it. The only one downfall that I did hear about it is that it's the aluminum cast or whatever, so when it does get hot out and it sits in the sun or whatever, that the shift knob will get hot, so throw like a rag or something over the top of it to somewhat try to keep it cool. But that's right now the only flaw that I read about it, and all I know about it right now. Alright guys, hopefully it's not too
dark, but we're gonna finish up the video right here. So thanks for watching. Our next videos will definitely be a little bit higher quality, so stay tuned for that. And
Always hit that subscribe button.
yeah, subscribe button. Comment below also what videos you want us to make.
Yeah, what car mod do you want to see? What might look good? You know, just keep us in the loop.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.